Hi, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond Quick and Facil. Today I'm going to show you really quick how to add hearts to peyote work. This is 7 beads, which is peyote odd. I'm going to leave links of how to do odd peyote if you don't know how. This is really easy to make, and since Valentine's Day is coming, I thought maybe you make just a simple bracelet and you want to add like a heart in the center, or it's really simple to make. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Once you believe you reach the center of your bracelet, your thread is going to be coming out from bottom seed bead. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3 coming out. That's what you want to have. You are going to pick up one delicate. So up, pick up one delicate, so up through the next one, pick up one red, so through the two, flip your work, pick up one white, sew through one, your thread is coming out from this one, you are going to sew down through the one right across. We are going to sew up, we are going to sew back down, and we are in position to continue. We just made our turn, so we are going to pick up one red, sew through the red, pick up one red, sew through the sticky one, pick up one white, this is what you should have. You are going to pick up one white and sew up. You are going to pick up one red, sew up through the red, pick up one red and sew up through two, pick up one white, we are going to sew up through the white next to the red, sew up, and come down. We are going to pick up one white, sew down through the red, we are going to pick up one red, sew down through the red, pick up one red, sew down through the white, pick up one white, sew up through the red, pick up one red, pick up one red, sew up through two, flip your work, pick up one white, sew down through the red next to it, sew up through the white, come down, we are going to pick up one red, we are going to pick up one red, and we are going to pick up a white one. Pick up a white, pick up a white, pick up a red one, so up through two, and you completed your heart. So this is how you add little hearts into your peyote work. And now you gotta start adding only your main color. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Like my videos. Until next time, thank you.